Let us now discuss about the mass of an atom and atomic mass unit AMU. The mass of an atom is very small because atoms are extremely small. So scientists determine the mass of one atom relative to another. In the present system, the atomic mass is based on carbon-12 as the standard. C12 is assigned a mass of exactly 12 AMU, and masses of all other atoms are given relative to this standard. 1 AMU or 1 atomic mass unit is defined as the mass exactly equal to 1 by 12 to the mass of 1 carbon-12 atom. Many elements exist as more than one isotope. For example, chlorine exists in two isotopic forms, chlorine 35 and chlorine 37. So in such cases, we need to calculate the average atomic mass. So here in this case, how can we get the average atomic mass of chlorine? For that, first multiply the atomic mass of the isotope 35, chlorine 35, by its relative abundance. So 35 into 75.5 by 100, that gives you 26.4. Similarly, take the other isotope, which is chlorine 37. Multiply its atomic mass, that is 37, by its relative abundance, which is 24.5. So you will get it as equal to 37 into 24.5 by 100, which is equal to 9.07. After that, add 26.4 and 9.07. You will get the average atomic mass of chlorine as equal to 35.5. Atoms and molecules are extremely small in size, but their numbers in even a small amount of any substance is really very large. So to handle such large numbers, a unit of convenient magnitude is required. So that is why we use the mole concept. You know that 1 mole is the amount of substance that contains as many particles as there are in 12 gram of carbon-12 isotope. That is, 1 mole of any substance contains Avogadro number of particles. The particles can be either atoms, molecules or ions. 1 mole contains Avogadro number of particles. Therefore, 1 mole is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 particles. So, Avogadro number is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. We can therefore say that 1 mole magnesium contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of magnesium. Similarly, 1 mole gold contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of gold. In a similar way, 1 mole ammonia will contain 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of ammonia. What is meant by molecular mass? It is the mass of one molecule of any substance. How can you calculate the molecular mass? By taking the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements present in a molecule. For example, consider water. How can you calculate the molecular mass of water? That is the mass of one molecule of water. For that, add the atomic masses of hydrogen and oxygen. It will be equal to 1 into 2 plus 16, which is equal to 2 plus 16, or that gives you 18U. Molecular mass is expressed in units of unified mass. Another example, take nitric acid. What is its molecular mass? It is equal to 63U. How can you get the molecular mass of nitric acid? By taking the sum of the atomic masses of all the elements, hydrogen, nitrogen and oxygen present in nitric acid. So 1 plus 14 plus 16 into 3, that gives you 63U. Molecular mass of calcium carbonate is equal to atomic mass of calcium, that is 40, plus atomic mass of carbon 12, plus 3 into atomic mass of oxygen. So 3 into 16. The total will give you 100U. Similarly, the molecular mass of sodium hydroxide is equal to 23 plus 16 plus 1. That is equal to 40U. The molecular mass of ethanol is equal to 46U. What is the molecular mass of sodium chloride? It is equal to 58.5U. In the case of ionic compounds like sodium chloride, instead of molecular mass, the term formula mass is used, but the method is the same. What is the difference between molecular mass and molar mass? You know that molecular mass is the mass of one molecule of an element or a compound, and it is expressed in unified mass U. Whereas molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of an element or a compound. It is expressed in gram per mole. For example, consider hydrogen molecule. The molecular mass of hydrogen is 2U. Add the atomic masses of hydrogen, you will get the molecular mass as 2. So, molecular mass of hydrogen is 2U. The molar mass of hydrogen is 2 gram per mole. So, you will find that the difference in molar mass and molecular mass is only in its unit. The numerical value is the same. What is the molecular mass of water? It is equal to 2 into 1 plus 60, which is equal to 18U. Now, what is the molar mass of water? It is equal to 18 gram per mole. What is the molar mass of water? It is equal to 18 gram per mole. What is meant by molar mass? It is a mass of 1 mole of a substance. So, 18 gram per mole is the mass of 1 mole of water. How many molecules are there in 1 mole of water? Avogadro number of molecules, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Therefore, 18 gram per mole is a mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of water. Whereas, 18U is the mass of 1 molecule of water. Now, if you take carbon dioxide for example, its molar mass is 44 gram per mole. Therefore, 44 gram per mole is a mass of 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules of carbon dioxide. Whereas 44U is the molecular mass of carbon dioxide.